Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. On today's video, I'll be doing a Walmart try-on haul. I'm excited already. So we're gonna try it on. But right now, I'm just gonna show you the dresses that I got from Walmart. They're super cute dresses. I think for me it's very cute, especially the long dresses that I have here. And all the sizes that I pick is extra small, and yeah, they're super cute dresses. So this is the first one dress that I got. They're like a new brand from Walmart, but I got it on sale, so it's not too bad. Like these long dresses that I have here is $9 for super cute dress. For super cute dress, why not? It's not bad at all. And the regular, it says maxi dress, and it's supposed to be $39, but I got it on sale for $9. And the color is so cute. I like the color, this kind. And I'll show you later when we try it on what's look like actually the dress is. They got a little tie on the, super cute, and all the way like a super cute dress. So next dress is this one. I like the color, super cute color. It has a little collar, and oh my god, I like the material is so soft and thick. It's a good fabric, and got tie. Very cute. Short dress is not really short, like above the knee, so it's not too bad. And the third one is kind of like the same, the second dress, the style, and this is the black polka dots, and the same, they got tie on it. So I got 4 dresses. I think it's super cute for me. These are really cute dresses that I pick from Walmart. And also the last one is this one, Scoop brand. This is actually new brand from Walmart. And this one, I got it for the 3 dresses that the 3 dresses that I picked. They're like all $7. They're on sale already, so why not to give a try. Actually, they're really cute dresses. And this is the last one. Kind of like have this I don't know how to say, like lace on the bottom, and also this is kind of long I don't know how to call this, like long sleeve. There you go, long sleeve dresses, and that's what's look like all the way to the top. It's super cute dresses, and I'm excited to try it on. And let me know in the comment down below which dress is your favorite. Actually, one of my favorite is the long one, the long dress, like the maxi dress. When I look at it in the store, it looked like big when I saw it in the store, but when I got home and try it on, it's fit perfect. Even the length, it's fit perfect, and it's super cute. Alright everyone, that's it for Walmart try on haul. Let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite dress. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified every time I do upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching everyone. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!